Today, we'll see 4 homemade remedies for growing your brows. Did you know that you can speed up the growth of your eyebrows? Hello amazing viewers, welcome back to another video of healthy habits. Most women dream of having full, perfectly shaped brows. However, some of them were never able to achieve full brows since their hair grows too slowly. Is this your case? After some consideration, we've decided to provide you with 4 natural remedies that use easy-to-find ingredients to assist you in your objective. Remedy number 1. Castor oil is a type of vegetable oil that comes from. We've already discussed the advantages of castor oil and how to apply it to your brows. Fatty acids, proteins, vitamin E, and antioxidants included in castor oil help to strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. Apply the juice to your brows with a cotton pad and leave it on for half hour, then remove with warm water. For a few weeks, repeat the treatment every day. Remedy number 2. The juice of an onion. We've shown you how to use this juice as a natural hair growth supplement. Have you ever used it? Selenium, vitamins C and B, sulfur, and other elements found in onions stimulate hair development and thicken your brows. Onion juice contains sulfur, which strengthens hair follicles and stimulates collagen synthesis, making your brows thicker. To make your eyebrows grow, prepare some onion juice in a blender. Apply the juice to your brows with a cotton pad and leave it on for an hour. Then, clean your brows with some lemon juice diluted in water. It eliminates the onion smell. Do it 3 times a week. Enjoying the video? Then hit that like button and share it with your friends to help the channel. Remedy number 3. Yolk of an egg. Eggs are one of the best proteins for thickening and strengthening your hair. It provides all of the protein your brows and hair require. To make a paste, beat an egg yolk until it becomes a paste. Apply the mixture over your brows and let it act for 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Repeat the procedure twice a week. Remedy number 4. Aloe vera gel is a type of aloe vera that haven't we talked a lot about aloe vera and its health benefits? Aloe vera is alone and can aid with a variety of skin problems as well as hair development. Rub a fresh aloe vera leaf over your brows to extract the gel. Massage the gel into your skin until it is entirely absorbed. Rinse well with cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week, every day, until the desired effects are achieved. If you want fuller, more formed brows, try one of these remedies and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.